Okay, here is the scene in Lorton, Virginia. It is now 4:30 on Saturday. Bridget is going to open the back door and see if Tanner wants to go out to go to the bathroom. But, unfortunately, what do you think, Tan? Ooh,
Go potty.
that's a little too much snow. Come on, Tanner.
Go potty.
See? Go on. Go on out there.
Go on.
Bridge, go stand next to there so you can see how high that is. Up to Bridget's waist against the back door. And the one out there is even higher. Holy cow. Blowing off the roof. There's our deck. Let's go sit in the chairs. Shall we?
No.